How's it going, everybody? It is Ethan, or Unknown Coder, and I am back with another episode of working on the website. This is going to be a pretty quick commentary because I don't have much time. I'm trying to get a bunch of stuff done here before we move, and I don't have really much update on life, I guess. I don't know. It's literally been like a day or two since I recorded the last episode, so yeah, anyway, guys. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. So in this episode, we pretty much pick up where we left off last time. So last time, I believe we pretty much finished up the homepage for now, at least. We still have some stuff to do, but I mean, it's pretty much finishing touches. So today we pretty much set up the dynamic routing for each product. So well, we got the dynamic routing set up. However, the product page is not completely set up yet, and that's what we'll finish here in the next episode. I'm trying to make this pretty quick here because I'm trying to finish that episode as well before I had to pack up my computer, and I won't have my main set up for 2 or 3 weeks, I don't think, so it's going to be really hard to record voice, record the stuff, and all of that. So the first thing I did in this episode was I added a description to the product schema. So pretty much this is just going to be whenever you open up the product page, there's going to be the specs on one side. It's going to be a photo gallery of the product, and then underneath of all that is going to be like a description of the product, so like why we did this, why we did that, stuff like that. I originally had thought of also including like comparison. However, I don't think I'm going to do that because it's just going to be a pain to store all that stuff as well. Something else I still need to figure out is how to store images on the database, because right now everything is pretty much just going to be everything's just going to be hard-coded for now, and I need to go back through and fix all that stuff. So after that, we actually did set up the dynamic routing. So now if you how it's going to work is we're going to have probably a 404 page if it doesn't exist, I guess. But what's going to happen is, which we haven't done yet, whenever you click on one of the cards, it's going to go to a special link, and we pretty much set that up, and I'm just testing one specific link, but it's going to depend on the product ID, which is random. It's just created in the database whenever you create a product. So whenever you click on the card, it's going to take you to that special link, and each link is going to like just be pretty much pulling the product information and so on. So I ended up struggling with this. I almost actually rage quit working on this. For whatever reason, the state wasn't letting me use it. It was like trying to use it early, even though I was trying to wait and stuff. But I finally figured it out after like almost an hour. So like I was struggling for like almost an hour. So after that, so I pretty much set up the dynamic routing and got that working. I end up making it so that it goes from the dynamic route page, and then it's going to check to make sure that we have the product information filter and all that, and then it's going to go to the actual product page itself, and that's like the little template that we're using. So that's the final thing that I end up working on, is just working on the template. So so right now I think that all I got done was pretty much just the product gallery, and I struggled with the gallery as well. I had actually designed it off camera, and then I was pulling it in how I do a lot of things, that way it doesn't like take a whole long time. But I was trying to use placeholder images instead of downloading a bunch of images. And I had download images originally for the testing file, but I figured just using links would be a lot easier instead of pulling in all those images into the files. But for whatever reason, the placeholder images did not play nicely with the gallery, so that also made me struggle for another like 20 minutes just trying to like mess with CSS to try to figure that all out. So pretty much we have the product gallery all set up and all that stuff, and we just need to set up like where the description goes, and set up where the specs go. So that's gonna be what we're working on next episode, and that's pretty much it for this episode, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and export this audio, render out the video from last time, and then go ahead and start coding some more. So hopefully you guys will be able to see videos for the next 3 weeks, and then by then hopefully we're moved in and I have internet and all that stuff, so I can continue doing this. So anyway, guys, this has been Ethan, an Unknown Coder. Have a great day. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're new, and peace out, everybody.